Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to track email opens in ConvertKit. Now the first thing I want you to do is just open up your dashboard and then come here and click on send. Click here on broadcast. You'll be able to see all the broadcasts you have made. And then all you need to do is click on one of them. As you can see, this one right here. And it has a 60% open rate. I'll show you how to track this. So one is you can look at the percentage, see your open rate. You can see the number of clicks that have been made. And then what you can do is just click here on clicks and you'll be able to see all the different clicks. Okay, we have 13 clicks and there we go. The open rate is 86.7% click to open rate. Let's look at the recipients here. Then if we click here on opened, you'll be able to see all the people that have opened this email. So that is how you can track this, okay? And it's really that easy to go ahead and track email opens in ConvertKit.